Good morning, beautiful people. Today is a fun cycling day. We are going to explore the Kenting National Park.
Today we can ride all the way down to what is the southernmost tip of Taiwan, which Max really wants to do, and then we'll go explore a bit more of the national park. There's some really cool trails here to do, so we'll probably do one of those.
Today is just about chilling, enjoying the beautiful nature and the beautiful data we have, and maybe try our best at going for a swim.
And we were told that this is like one of the most beautiful areas of Taiwan, and that this national park is often skipped by people doing bike touring because you have to kind of go down a little bit extra and then back up. But yeah, we were told it's very much worthwhile and we should definitely do this.
Very excited for today.
Let's go.
I can see the sea. Can you hear this? The waves crashing on the sand.
There's palm trees everywhere. It's such a perfect day. Wow, this is like proper tropical island paradise vibes. The water is so clear. The sand is white. There's like rocks around. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice here. We'll definitely have to stop somewhere for a swim today. The water looks so good.
Okay.
I'm okay. I didn't crash, so I'm okay. Woo! Oh my gosh, we are challenging ourselves. We're climbing the hill in the national park in gears that are much higher than we should be on a hill. Woo. It's not very far though. From when we turned off from the main road, it's like 3 kilometers. So even though it's a bit of a challenge, it's nice. Get a little bit of a good workout in this morning. Not that we need it because we're literally cycling at least 75 kilometers almost every day, or on average at least. Woo. Turns out it wasn't 3 kilometers, it's 5. So now I'm over it. Fine. I'll eat delicious food later to make up for it. Oh my gosh, we've climbed so high. Oh my gosh, we were basically at the sea level just earlier, and now we can see this massive viewpoint. Oh my gosh. I think we've made it, guys. We have made it to the Kenting National Park recreational area. We're starting off with the shedding trail, which is one that Max found on All Trails.
So we're gonna start with this one. It's really beautiful and there's absolutely no one.
When you've been cycling for so long and you get off the bike, there's this weird thing that happens to your legs where it feels weird to walk. So it's kind of like when you're on a boat for a long time and there's that rocking motion, and then when you get back onto land, it's awkward walking. It feels like you're still on a boat. That's kind of how I feel if I've done like a long cycle and then I start walking again. It feels like my legs don't. The walking is no longer the natural movement because pedaling is. Ooh, we've come to the Minor Gorge. Massive, there you go, crevice, I guess gorge, massive gorge right here. Wow, this is pretty. There's one rock, like not rock, sorry, like a boulder, just very precariously sat up on top there. Ooh.
I like how there's a fire inside.
Yeah. Is that just sunlight? That's crazy. That's not lighting. Okay, I probably thought that was a lighting setup, but it's just the sunlight reflecting.
It's so hot. You know what's good though, and crazy to realize this. I know yesterday we took a train a little bit, but we are starting from Taipei all the way here. We are halfway, but our own 2 legs brought us halfway through this country. What's also outstanding is the amount of weather ecosystem we've had since we left. We've had super cold and now we're having pretty hot, not super hot but pretty hot. I wouldn't recommend anyone if you're interested in doing this trip to do it in summer, because the winter has been absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Now the wind, you'll always have it, whether it's from left or right, north, south, whatever. Yeah, because summer I think will be really hot.
Woo, going downhill is so much funner than going uphill. That was really beautiful, and now we're making our way all the way back down, but we're going, it's kind of like a loop road, and this one is so beautiful. And we're looking for somewhere to eat. The only thing is that we are in the national park, so there's not very many like townships. I think there's only one last section where we can get some food before there's nothing after that. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. That's amazing. Woohoo!
Whoa, super steep! How fun was that?
Oh my God, that was so terrifying. That was so steep.
That was super steep, eh?
What the heck? Imagine if we had to ride up that way for starters.
No ways.
It would have been KO'd. But then coming down is absolutely terrifying. After that terrifying descent, we've made it down to the last sort of, I guess, town area before we head deeper into the national park. So we're gonna make a stop at the Old Faithful, and right across the road here is this beautiful beach with this gorgeous rock thing. So I think we're gonna get some food and then go eat over there. Take this one. Looks pretty good. You're gonna get this curry one?
Yeah.
That looks pretty good too.
Okay, lunchtime. Whoa, what a spot.
I would love to go for a swim, but there's no beach. All right, so we got our little 7-Eleven haul. They actually make these really yummy bento boxes here, and they're pretty healthy. They're just like chicken and vegetables and rice, and they heat them up in the microwave for you. This one was 89 yuan, so pretty good.
Bon appetit.
Oh my God, we just found legitimately the most beautiful beach you can imagine. Pure white sand. The watercolor is like electric. We were about to go for a swim, but luckily some local tourists just told us not to, that we can't go down there because it's a 3,000 yuan fine. Oh my gosh, look at that water. It's such a shame that we can't swim here, but apparently this whole area is closed off for preservation. And when we were eating lunch, I did see a couple turtles, so I'm not sure if maybe it's like a turtle nesting area or something like that. I mean, usually preservation is generally a good thing, but just dang, that water is calling our name.
All I wanted to do was swim. I haven't swum once in this country.
Max is livid.
Unbelievable. Freaking sand. At least if it was like turtle mating in front of us, I would understand.
But maybe it is. Maybe
it was a unicorn riding across back and forth. It's just sand.
Come on, preservation is usually a good thing.
Yeah, nature, you can have that one. You go to my house.
Max is so angry. He almost tried to argue with the locals who were helping us. Just saying that they were wrong because he wanted to swim so bad. All right, we're gonna keep going now. We're heading towards, there's a lighthouse we can see in the distance. I think it's only like another 5 or so K away. And apparently that's the mark of the southernmost point of Taiwan. So that's where we're going.
We're about to be at the southernmost point of Taiwan. How exciting! This means we'll be exactly halfway through our trip. And every meter after this, or we're back to the other half, or back to home or starting point. Woo! Southernmost point! Yoo-hoo! We're here! Oh my god! Ah! Yes! Woo! Yes! Oh. We made it to the top! Well done! Oh.
That was such a bad high five, go again.
Yes!
We made it to the southernmost point of Taiwan.
Wow.
Wow.
So cool.
Very, very cool.
And now, back all the way to the north.
Yeah.
Halfway, baby. 500 kilometers done, 500 to go.
After today, tomorrow, we're going to be heading north the entire way along the east coast, the opposite side of the island. People don't go there as much. There's so little information about the east coast. And it's definitely, when you look at a map of Taiwan, it's so developed on the west, and then the east is so
bare. There's nothing there.
Yeah. So I don't know. I think our trip's about to get a bit harder.
I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching so far on the west coast. Thank you so much for all the love and support and everything. We really appreciate it. We are loving this trip. That's why I'm so excited, because I know deep down we're sort of just halfway. So there's so much more to look forward to. But you guys are coming along. I mean, we're doing this every day. Hopefully you like it. But yeah, super excited for the rest.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little trip in Kenting National Park, and we'll see you tomorrow as we start heading north. First we have to cross over the mountains and up the east coast. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye.